Hey, what is up YouTube? This is Carver Gaming, and today I want to show you how to make this machine gun that works with anything. So I want to put some bats here, let's say. So I put all my bats here. Oh my god. I put all my bats in here. And then I want here to be the cows. So let's now let's press this button and it spawns. So look, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna need some of this block, any block that you can put something on. I'm gonna use some diamond block, the diamond minecart. Yeah. Okay, next is what am I gonna do? Diamond, and then we will need some redstone torch, lever, what's this called, dispenser, yeah, pretty much it. So shut up, mom. Next put it in, oh come on, put it in here, put some redstone torch in here, some diamonds here, and then more here. Oh, come on. Just putting it here. So here, and then there we go. And then we're gonna put our dispenser. Oh, we're gonna put some block here. Then dispenser here, and here. Oh, here. And then we're gonna need some redstone blocks in here. So as you can see, oh crap, gonna sit down and put some of these, and then to make it start first, gonna need some leather and put it in there. And now for the ammunition, you can use almost anything. So I want to fire charge. Come on! And some arrow farming. So arrow farming here. Sorry guys for that noise. Fire charge. There we go. And then here's the magic happens. Oh, you can actually make your throne here though. Hey! Then some stairs here. Yes. And then I will be the boss. Yes. Here's my robot. Come on. Sit down and press this button. Come on, where's that button? Yeah, there we go. Yes, kill everyone. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, got it. So, alright. That's pretty much for this video. If you like it, hit that like button and subscribe button, and also check my friend's channel named markgaming_yu. So have a look up. Good.